So for clients that ask, hey, Abby, I want to be in a much bigger look. I want a 2 carat look, but I only have a 1 carat budget. My recommendation for saving money, but still getting a high quality stone, is to go slightly smaller in your carat weight, but keep your quality high. So for example, maybe go with a 0.9 carat, even 0.95 carat diamond, so that then you're a little bit under that 1 carat mark. Whenever you get to these metrics of like 1 carat, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, you're going to see some pretty steep price points jump, because that rarity factor, just naturally occurring substance in our earth, that rarity factor really jumps as well. So getting a little bit under that 1 carat, 0.95, is gonna save you a little bit of money. Not an extraordinary amount of money, but some, everything adds up. Another thing I recommend too are accenting this smaller stone with bigger diamonds. Right now we're seeing a lot of trends towards halos, and a lot of these halos, which is essentially a ring of diamonds around the circumference of that stone. It's a really great look because it can give you, a little bit more bold amount of carat weight total. However, you can save some money because you're using small stones as accents, and you're not trying to just in that 1 center stone get a 2 carat look. So take that 0.95 round, let's use that as an example, and put a halo on it. I love to put my clients in bigger halos. So put a 2mm halo on that. It's a 6mm stone, 2mm halo all around, and suddenly you've got a much bolder look that your partner is really, really happy with, but you've gone with that stone and saved a little bit of money because you've gone right under that 1 carat mark or right under that 2 carat mark. So bigger halos, more accent stones, small diamonds are easy to make a look appear more robust for the overall amount of sparkle in that ring, versus trying to push it in that center stone. That 2 carat full-on center stone versus a 1 carat with decorations essentially around it that puts it at the size amount of a 2 carat, you're going to save a lot of money there.